If it looks like I've had a haircut and my hair is looking a little bit shorter, just know you're wrong. This is the magic of Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. Not too long ago, I did a video on how I use the Olaplex No. 3 on my fine curly hair, and I'm here to update you after using the majority of the bottle. I think I might have just a little bit left, but not too much. So I'm just going to share any changes I've noticed over the last month in my hair, different application techniques that I was trying out, and of course the before and after photos of how my hair looked from day one until now. So if you want to see my final results and thoughts on this, just keep watching. So just to recap, Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector is a treatment, not a conditioner, that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens the hair, improving its look and feel. I had great results after just one use and major improvements just over the last month. Prior to using it, my hair, I would consider it virgin. All the hair color had grown out. I had no color in my hair. And as soon as I did use the Olaplex, I did manage to color my hair once. So you might see that the color is a little bit richer. That's probably from the hair color. But overall, it looks shorter. My hair is definitely just a tighter curl pattern than it's been in a really long time. Before I had my first son, I would say that my hair looked closer to this curl pattern. After having children, everything changed. It happened at the start of my pregnancy, and it continued to get worse and then better and then worse. So this was just a really nice product to add to my curl cabinet that I can continue to use to help strengthen my hair. So let me first talk about some of the changes I've noticed after continued use. There are just tighter curls overall. So if I flip my hair like this, now I do have product in my hair. Let me zoom in here. It may not look like much to you, but when I zoom in, there's just curls in this area here. This right here used to be really wavy. Sometimes I would consider certain areas straight, closer to just to the root. Everything's just much tighter and growing in tighter, which is nice. Also, my ends are tighter. And because the curl pattern is shrinking, my hair just looks like I got a haircut, but I really have not. In fact, I'm interested to see how this goes after I get my first trim. For those of you that don't know, I haven't had a haircut in 2.5 years, and it looks pretty healthy considering that. I do have an appointment scheduled, so I'm interested to see how this looks after my first trim. Like, I might be having some serious shrinkage that is like up to here, which I don't necessarily want, but it's very possible with continued use of Olaplex that I'm going to see some really, really healthy hair coming in. So yeah, you can see it used to be just wavier. And even though it's not totally as tight as it is at the end, there's an improvement. I mentioned in the other Olaplex video that sometimes I would notice a reduction in the shedding. It was really hard for me to tell because I was doing the onion juice experiment with it, which is also supposed to help with shedding. But I did notice the days I used Olaplex, which were the off days of my onion juice, I noticed a reduction in shedding still. Also, just an amazing detangler. Oh my gosh, like literally I could just run my fingers through and my hair is a knotted, hot mess all the time now. So it was just so nice to have that. So after using Olaplex maybe 2 times, so that was about 2 weeks, I just felt like I needed a deep conditioner after. It did make my hair much tighter, and but it did feel like a little bit drier. So I started doing the deep conditioner. Basically, if you watch my last video, you'll know I rinsed my hair really well first, and then I applied the Olaplex treatment, put a cap on, leave it on for 30 minutes or so, rinse it out, continue with the shampoo, the conditioner, and then the next step I was taking was adding a deep conditioner. And I would leave that on for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I would have even better results. Like the curls were just shinier, my color looked even richer. Even though I had the hair color, it just felt richer than it did prior to the deep conditioner. So I was really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you those before and after photos now. Okay, so here are the images from using Olaplex. The first one is from day one, before I even tried the Olaplex. This gives you a good idea of what my curl pattern was looking like without any product in it. The second image is showing my hair with Olaplex already applied and my hair is air dried. Again, this has 0 product in it. The third image is after about a month of using Olaplex. You can see a huge difference in just the shrinkage and the curl pattern. It's a lot tighter. My goodness, I didn't expect this type of result, but I am so impressed and so excited for this. Here's just another angle of my hair after using the Olaplex. The first image on the left is from day 1 after using Olaplex the first day. My curl pattern was a little bit tighter. I was impressed just on the first day, but you can see a huge difference on day 30 or about a month later. My hair just looks fuller. It looks tighter. There's just a major difference in the way my hair looks. It just looks healthier. And that's about it. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love my results. I think this is something that's going to be a staple in my curl cabinet. I don't think I'm going to use this weekly, but I am going to be using it 1 to 2 times per month just for maintenance, just to keep my hair nice and tight and healthy looking. I just feel like this is going to be a staple from now on. So now I want to know from all of you, have you tried Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector? If so, have you been using it for longer than 1 month? How did that first bottle work for you? Tell me your results down below. If you're new to my Fine Curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe and join my little community here. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.